Have you ever worked hard, delivered results, and still got passed over for a promotion? It's frustrating, right? And most importantly, if it keeps happening over and over again, you might start wondering, am I the problem? What am I doing wrong? Well, you are not alone. Many professionals are in the same loop, but today we are breaking it. Stick with me because I'm going to share with you 3 important career mistakes that might be blocking your promotion, and most importantly, how to fix them. And from my personal experience, a pro tip that has helped many of my clients fast track their promotion in record time. Mistake number 1, you are too focused on hard work and not visibility. Most people think hard work alone will get them promoted. Wrong. Look around you. How many hardworking people do you know who are still stuck in the same role? Here's the hard truth. Promotions don't just go to the hardest working people. They go to the ones who make their contributions visible. Speak up in meetings. Share your wins with your boss. Take credit for your work where it's due without unnecessarily bragging. If leadership doesn't notice your impact, they won't consider you for the next level. And talking about leadership, that brings us to mistake number 2. Thinking like an employee and not as a leader. If you want a promotion, start thinking and acting as though you already have it. Ask yourself, are you making decisions or just following instructions? Are you bringing solutions or just reporting problems? Are you mentoring others or just managing yourself? Listen, companies don't just promote workers, they promote leaders. Start showing leadership today, and decision makers will take notice. Now, the final career mistake, and this one is a career killer. You are still waiting for permission. One of the biggest reasons why people get overlooked, they wait. They wait for their boss to recognize their work. They wait to be invited to the big projects. And they wait to be told that they are ready for the next step. Stop waiting. Start positioning yourself now. Here's what you're going to do. Ask for the big responsibilities before they are assigned. Sounds scary, right? But that's what leadership is about. Tell your boss that you need a promotion and ask them what you have to do to get it. As long as it's ethical. Start being proactive. Start taking initiative by yourself. Leaders don't wait. They create their own opportunities. I promised you a pro tip. Get a sponsor, not just a mentor. Mentors give advice. Sponsors open doors. A sponsor is someone in your company who has the influence to advocate for you behind closed doors. Identify a senior leader who sees your potential. Build a strong relationship with them by consistently delivering results that support their goals. When that promotion discussion happens, you will have someone in your corner. This is how you strategically move from being overlooked to being promoted. What's that one thing you'll be doing differently from now to get noticed at work? Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it.